today. Today we have lecture on subject information security and data protection. Topic of our lecture will be about the means of protecting information. Plan of the lecture consists from 5 questions. The first question will be about the formal means of protecting information. Second question will be about physical protection. Third question will be about the hardware protection. Fourth question will be about the software protection. And last question will be about information remedies. Purpose of our lecture is to generate knowledge about practical methods of information protection. The first question about formal means of protecting information. How can we understand the formal means of protecting information? We can understand it via referring to established policies, standards, and legal frameworks designed to ensure information security. These include legislation and regulations. For example, laws such as GDPR, HIPAA, and ISO standards that mandate data protection measures. Security policies and procedures. What about this? It's about organizational rules defining access control, encryption requirements, and data handling protocols. Next, compliance audits. What about compliance audits? It's about regular assessments to ensure adherence to security policies and regulatory requirements. The second one about the physical protection. How can we understand the physical protection? Physical protection or physical security measures aim to prevent unauthorized access to critical IT infrastructure and sensitive information. Key elements include: first, access control. Access control is about the using of security badges, biometric authentication, and surveillance systems. The second is about environmental protection. This is about the fire suppression system, climate control, and disaster recovery planning. Next is about secure storage. How can understand we secure storage? It's about lockable cabinets, safes, and secure servers rooms to safeguard sensitive materials. Next, we will talk about the hardware protection. So, what is it about? What is it hardware protection? Hardware protection involves safeguarding computing devices and network equipment against physical damage and cyber threats. Measures include: first, secure configurations, implementing BIOS passwords, disabling unset ports, and enforcing hardware encryption. Tamper-resistant hardware devices with built-in security mechanisms to prevent unauthorized modifications. And redundant systems. It's about backup power supplies, RAID configurations, and failover systems for data continuity. So now we will talk about software protection. And how can we understand software protection? Software-based security mechanisms help mitigate cyber threats and unauthorized data access, and key solutions include: the first, antivirus and anti-malware software, programs designed to detect and remove malicious threats. The second is about firewalls and intrusion detection systems, IDS. It's about monitoring and control network traffic to prevent cyber attacks. Next, about encryption technologies, securing data at rest and in transit using cryptographic techniques. And authentication mechanism is about multi-factor authentication, MFA, and role-based access control, RBAC, for identity verification. The fifth question of our lecture will be about informal remedies. Informal remedies refer to best practices and human-centered approaches to enhancing information security. These include security awareness training, educating employees on phishing scams, password management, and social engineering tactics. Incident response plans is about procedures for handling security breaches and mitigating the risks. And user vigilance about the encouraging responsible behavior, such as avoiding public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions and reporting suspicious activities. Conclusion: effective information security relies on a combination of formal policies, physical measures, hardware and software protection, and informal best practices. By integrating these methods, organizations can ensure robust defense against a wide range of security threats. Thank you very much.